A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You a God pitney? No, not answer me too quick. As a matter of fact, I want you to listen to that patches here first, and then you can answer whether you are God pitney or you are not God pitney. So, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, may I beg you do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the first letter from John, chapter 2, verse 28 to chapter 3, verse 10. Brother and sister, turn in Christ Jesus, so that so when he come back, we don't have to afraid and run go hide in a shame. You know say Christ Jesus do it right all the time, and that everybody will do right. A God pitney. Look how much the Father love we. Him call we him own a pitney, and we are really feel pitney for true. The people them in the world don't know we. Just like how they never know God neither. My friend, we are God pitney now. And we don't know everything about our life going on later. But we know, so when Christ Jesus come back, we're going to turn same like him. Because we are going to see him just like how him turn. Everybody will believe that Jesus are going to make them just like himself. Keep away from sin. Just like how Jesus keep away from sin. Everybody will sin broke God's law. Because sin are the same sin like when somebody broke God's law. You know say Jesus come to take away sin. And him not have no sin at all. Nobody will trust in a Jesus no live in a sin. Anybody will just a sinner go on so never see him and them not know him neither. Me pitney, no make nobody fooling up. Anybody will do it right and them good in a God's eye. Just like how Jesus good in a God's eye. Anybody will sin belong to the devil. Because from the world start, the devil has sin. And that make God boy pitney come in the world to mash up the devil work. Nobody we are God pitney can't just a sin a galang so. Because God life the in of them. Them can't just go on in a sin so. Because them are God pitney. We can know who a God pitney from who are the devil pitney. Anybody when you do it right in a God's eye and when you love them brother and sister, them are no God pitney. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.